If you look closely, sharp-eyed park visitors may be lucky enough to spot the Pileated Woodpecker. Despite having a bright red crest, they are surprisingly hard to see. They are almost completely all black except for a black, white, and red striped head with large white underwing patches. Measuring 16 to 19 inches, they are the largest of the woodpecker family. They mate for life and lay an average of 4 eggs a year. Pileated woodpeckers have a wide-ranging area in North America, from most of the eastern part of the United States to the Pacific Northwest and Canada, wherever there are large areas of mature and old-growth forests. Being the largest woodpeckers, they need large trees to bore out a nest about 3.5 inches wide and up to 24 inches deep. Woodpeckers feed on insects that live in dead logs and old trees with soft wood. With their strong, chiseled beaks, they strip the bark off and chip out holes in the wood, then use their long, sticky, barbed tongues to snare insects. Carpenter ants are their primary food source, as well as other insects like termites, flies, cockroaches, caterpillars, and beetle larvae. They will also forage on the ground for fruits and nuts. With 800 square miles of thick forest, the Great Smoky Mountains are the ideal habitat for the Pileated woodpecker.